Are you aware of the numerous health benefits of thyme, a fragrant herb that is often used in culinary dishes? Thyme, this versatile and aromatic herb, is much more than just a kitchen staple. Its delightful flavor is a bonus on top of the myriad health benefits it offers. From being a powerhouse of antioxidants to supporting our immune system and more, thyme is truly a gem in the realm of herbs. So let's dig into the specific health benefits of this amazing herb. One of the main health benefits of thyme is its antioxidant power. This aromatic herb is packed with flavonoids like luteolin and apigenin, which help shield cells from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. But that's not all. Thyme is also a source of anti-inflammatory compounds including carvacrol and rosmarinic acid. Regularly spicing up your dishes with thyme could help keep inflammation at bay. Let's not forget about its immune-supporting vitamins and minerals. With vitamin C, vitamin A, and iron in its arsenal, thyme can give your immune system a nice little boost. It's a popular natural remedy for alleviating symptoms of respiratory infections and colds too. Speaking of respiratory health, thyme has been used for centuries to treat conditions like bronchitis and coughs. As an expectorant, it helps to loosen mucus and ease congestion. On to digestion. Thyme stimulates the production of digestive juices and enzymes, potentially helping to relieve gas, bloating, and indigestion. For heart health, thyme comes to the rescue once again. It contains potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Plus, its antioxidant properties help to reduce oxidative stress on the heart. Thyme's antimicrobial properties make it effective against bacteria and fungi, and it's even used in natural remedies for skin infections. In terms of brain health, thyme's carvacrol content may improve focus, memory, and overall brain function. For your skin, thyme's antioxidants, combined with its antibacterial properties, can be beneficial. Thyme oil is often used in skincare products to combat acne and soothe inflammation. Bone health is another area where thyme shines, thanks to its calcium and manganese content. These minerals are vital for maintaining strong, healthy bones. Preliminary studies suggest that thyme may also have potential anti-cancer properties, particularly against certain types of cancer cells. Thyme also offers stress relief. The aroma of thyme essential oil has calming and stress-relieving effects. As an antispasmodic, thyme can help to ease muscle spasms and cramps. When it comes to weight management, thyme is low in calories and can add flavor to dishes without extra fat or sugar. And lastly, the antioxidants in thyme help protect skin cells from damage caused by free radicals, potentially slowing down the aging process. That's quite a list, isn't it? But that's not all. Thyme can easily be incorporated into your diet. Adding fresh or dried thyme to your meals is an easy way to gain these health benefits. This aromatic herb can elevate the flavor of soups, stews, and roasted vegetables. It also makes a wonderful addition to marinades and sauces, imparting a subtle, earthy taste. Thyme essential oil, on the other hand, can be diffused for aromatherapy or diluted for topical use, offering additional wellness benefits. Remember, if you have any health concerns or are pregnant, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or using herbal remedies.